Alright, so now we're going to do the plastic coverings. So the plastic I got is 3.5 mil, 10 feet by 25 feet plastic sheeting. This is just Home Depot, cheap plastic sheeting. This is just to get me through the winter, just kind of get some cover. You can buy a lot better sheeting from a greenhouse supply store. I didn't have anything nearby, I just kind of want to get this done. See how it holds up for the winter, and I'm going to be moving the whole garden bed eventually this next spring. So that's why I did it this way, because it'll be easy for me to take down. So my plan is here, just going to lay this out. That part. Now what I'm going to do is go up on top and put some more tape along there. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is run a small board across the top. What I got is just some 1x2 strips, and just going to run one of these across, kind of hold down that center. Alright, and here's the final product when it's all done. I'll just kind of go over a couple of things I kind of did to wrap it up. We got the plastic on, and what I did was the first thing I did was I got the long sides, and all I did is a piece of conduit, 10-foot conduit, 1/2 inch, and I basically just hung it with some tape. And I should have done this video, but you can see that black duct tape there. And basically I put the pipe there and then put the tape on the plastic and wrap around the pipe. Did that all the way around, both sides. That kind of gave it a nice even weight. You could also do that with a piece of wood. And then what I did is I just took these straps. I only did one hole in each one, but I basically rolled up the plastic onto it and then screwed it on. So I could come back if I wanted to and throw another screw in, but I kind of don't want to put a hole in the plastic on the top part where it could rip through with the wind. And we already had a good heavy drenching and windstorm the other night, and it held up really good. So it's really stout. I mean, it feels really good. And so on the same thing on the side. So then I came in on the sides and wrapped this side first and just wrapped around plastic. I got this little 1x2. And just kind of wrapped it, just kind of tuck it in, and then just threw a couple screws into it. Real simple. Same thing on the bottom. So I did the sides first, kind of tucked them in, and then did the bottom. It's kind of like wrapping a big present. You can kind of see here, it's got the flap here. It's nice and tight. And I had done the same thing on this side with the bottom first. And this side turned out a little bit more even. You can see it's nice and taut. It's pretty good for not really ever having a real hot day to kind of lay this out. It's been pretty mild now, in the 50s and 60s. The front was kind of a little more tricky. I kind of did the same thing just because I didn't have anything on the bottom as far as what to nail to. So I just ran a piece of wood that basically fit up against this post nice and tight, and I just curled it up and then kind of beat it in, so it was, you know, just a pressure fit between the side of the thing. And then for the door, there's a couple different ways I could have framed it out. I just wrapped a big chunk. It's like a 6x6 piece of wood. It's kind of my corner, hold it. I got a brick, and then in here I got a 2x4, just a short section. And then to open it, all I gotta do is just kind of pull this, and then I can open it enough to get in there. And you can see I got my hay bales up here, and I gotta get these spread out and pull this cardboard up, but kind of give you an overlay of kind of the inside. You know, you can see. So it'll be interesting to see how it holds up, but I don't need it to hold up for the winter, so hopefully it will do good. And my lettuce is growing pretty good. Need to kind of weed it a bit, but I'm not sure what these people had in this bed before, what this all is. Like I said, we just moved, and so this is, I'm just trying to use the existing bed and try to make something work with it, but I'm not sure what they did here. But I don't think I got everything started as early as I wanted to, but we'll see how it turns out. But inside, you know, it's a little loose, you know, right here. This side's a little tighter, but the ends are tight, and you can see I just got the post ups, and yeah, we'll see how it turns out. Thanks for watching. If you guys have any questions, send me a message, and thanks for watching.